Miles Edgeworth, your objections are always overruled and phony baloney. And Drew Pickles, leave that poor boy alone! He is facing a lot of injuries in the middle of the hospital because of his leg. His leg is injured thanks to you. The court justifies Hold it, Yana. I have an idea. How about this? Why don't we chase after him instead of sending him to jail and losing his $1 million cash? That's a good idea, Mr. Wheeler. A pretty good idea. Audience, lawyers, everybody, attack! Miles? Miles? Nope. I'm out of here. Enjoy being clobbered alive, Mr. Pickles.